It's a normal day in the Fairbank Conservatory. But will it be normal for long? It's the ironing board. But is it the ironing board? The balloon. But is it the balloon? Find out after the break. Okay, the break's done. Okay. The cat, just like this, has gone missing. And this one's gone missing too. Where could it be? What will we find along the way? I will walk backwards now, so you don't see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. We will have to search around the household for clues. Now it is freezing outside, so bear with me. Okay, we have the garden. There's no cat out here. You can see a cat except for the real cat. Oh, Rufus! Get in here! Don't tell me, Rufus. I'll find out myself. Anyway, okay. There seems to be no cat out here. Okay, let's check down here. Okay, right. Get down low. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you? Okay, I'm really low. And I can't get back up. I'm gonna use the hula hoop to detect it. Nothing. Stupid hula. We will look in the conservatory now. Here is the guilty dog, Rufus. Rufus, what do you know? Rufus, what do you know? What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Good to meet you. Good to meet you. What do you know? What do you know? Okay. Just leading this to him. Okay, you're a rubbish dog. But there's one cat. There is the other cat, upside down. I will have to drag it back to its normal place. Mystery of the missing oversized cat has been solved.